Yeah, every day's coffee with Conti. Good morning. I'm just starting my day right now. It's Monday after our Coffee with Conti show on Sunday, and I just want to share with you just some little things I do to start my day before the dealership actually opens. So I'm here, no lights on right now. You saw me drinking some coffee, a couple of those to get the day started, and it's cold when I come in my office. So we got this little space heater going right now. Boy, that does a great job. 80 degrees. Really got to watch my diet and how I eat, so I got this little fridge here in the office and homemade organic vegetable soup. I got some cheese there to go with some crackers, got some water, got some oranges over there, some protein drinks. Yeah, we're ready to go. But what we got to do most importantly is get in front of the computer right now. Yes, because I'm watching the webcams in Bowling Green, Kentucky, and I think since I told you guys I was doing it, shared it on my socials, CorvetteBlogger.com, shared the link as well. This thing is like going down where it says the image is temporarily unavailable and you have to refresh it. Usually it would sustain for about a half an hour, but it seems like every 3-4 minutes now I've got to refresh. It's probably 7:30 down there in Bowling Green right now when we're recording, and the question is today on March 2nd, will C8 2020 Corvettes leave the factory? In case you didn't see before, the factory's over here. This is I-65 right here. Oh, see, there it goes. I mean, just a couple minutes, guys. Everybody's hitting this thing. I'll guarantee everybody's hitting this thing today. The people at the weather bug are like, why do we got so much traffic on our webcam over there in Kentucky? Because you got the plant right there, brother. The Corvette Museum is over here. Wendy's and all that kind of stuff is over here. But again, there's the freeway. This way's to Nashville. This way's back to me here in Ohio. Basically, I'm waiting to see if there's a line of trucks with white covered cars heading on the freeway, headed home right in here. Sometime possibly today. But check out this picture that Corvette Blogger also shared of the lot that does now look like it's full and it's ready to go. And I want to talk about that lot here. Something we talked about months ago, I think, is different this time around, and maybe we had some influence on that. So it was 60 seconds since I said that, and the image, okay, so it went back down. I'll guarantee it that this server is getting more activity right now than it ever will in its entire life. You think people are excited about the car? Who's the nutty guy that thought about watching the webcam at Bowling Green Assembly for the trucks to leave? That's right, your boy Ricky. In fact, our customer Rocky, who was recently at Bowling Green Assembly, well, he was there again yesterday, March 1st. Here is a ground level shot of what basically looks like a full lot. Okay, now here's why I think the shipping sequence will be different on C8 Corvette than it was on C7. Oh, you like my Rapid Blue poster back here? All right, sorry, just something real quick, you guys, check this out. All right, so here's why I think the shipping sequence for C8 will be much different than it was in C7. Of course, right now in C8, the parking lot is a lot bigger than it was in C7. But here's what happened in C7. As they built these cars, let me zoom out a little bit so you guys can see, they would take the cars and then they would start loading them in a lot way down here. So when the lot got full, they started shipping from here. And the stress began because VIN number 678 was down here and they started shipping 1750, 2200 because, well, they were right here. So what I've been seeing from the aerial shot progressions is they built the cars now for C8. The cars have been loading this way. So they load up that lot and then they start shipping from the top. And even some of the pictures that we saw, cars are parked on the side all the way down the sides, man. So yeah, they are ready to go, and we'll just have to watch how this unfolds and progress. But I guess it's good news for the folks that have early VIN numbers, as you would expect if you have an early VIN number in this block, that they're going to be loaded with John Cooper Transport and right here, coming home, baby. Now keep in mind, all this stuff we discussed, only one can speculate and guess, but you guys know I'm a good guesser. Yeah, I'm still watching the cam right now as I'm talking to you guys. Well, up until midday, I actually saw 4 trucks leave Bowling Green Assembly, 0 anything on it. I mean, no Corvettes. So what is all that? Man, I have no idea what it means. I really don't. But I hope you enjoyed today's quick little vlog, a real-time update, if you will, for Monday, March 2nd. The big anticipation for the release and the launch, the official real launch. When they're releasing the cars, then you could say it's launched because you guys have them. Okay, forget the press stuff. You guys are the ones that make the car the star for the C8 2020 Mid Engine Corvette. So again, I hope you enjoyed today's real-time update. Support this channel by subscribing. Make sure you hit the bell notification so you don't miss an upload, because we do have a lot of fun coming for you on the channel. See you guys tomorrow.